Hey, what is going on, YouTube? Yeah, we out here. We got ourselves a new project. I don't know if you see that on the trailer right now. Yeah, we going there. Got my boy Danny.
What's up?
And his girlfriend Katie. We got ourselves a Mustang.
Got the 87 foxbody behind us. This guy's driving erratically. He's fucking drunk. No, I'm joking. No, it's just like that.
Yeah, when was the last shit I'm gonna edit out? Maybe. But yeah, we got our new project sitting on the trailer. Just picked it up. So, yeah, tune in the channel because we got some big things coming. Now, I said it before, but this is big. Now, this car is just a roller. It has no motor, no trans, and the interior is gone. So, this is gonna be a complete fucking project car to the fucking fullest. And then we're gonna take it to the fucking track by us, and we're gonna fucking run it. Yeah, we're gonna see after we fucking swap everything out what this car can run. Now, she is an 87, Mustang GT, Fox body. Now, we already had the straps come loose once. Now, let's hope that shit doesn't happen again. You got anything to say, bro?
Oh, that's it.
We're naming this car the Rat Piss car. That's gonna go on the fucking window of the car. Rat Piss.
It would actually be pretty sweet.
That's the name of this car, Rat Piss. The story we got off this car is that the fucking guy got it. The interior stunk like rat piss and mouse piss and all the other shit. So there's no carpet in the thing. All the interior pieces are ripped out. The insulation's gone out of the car. So yeah, when I say this is a complete fucking redo, it's a complete fucking redo. But she is well worth it. There is nothing physically wrong with the car. The fucking body is in great shape, besides a few things, but we'll touch on that later on down the road. Freaking now, it's getting it home, getting it off this fucking trailer, and you start freaking getting into it, see what interior pieces we have as soon as we get home, and then go from there. It was a fucking piece of cake, fucking to load this thing up. We pushed it onto the trailer, no issues, which rarely ever fucking happens. So, stay tuned.
For Rat Piss Racing.
For Rat Piss Racing. With rat piss on the back. Alright, we will be back as soon as we get back home with this fucking car. Out. What is going on, YouTube? It's the next day. I didn't record too much yesterday after we got the car. Or we got it home. It's sitting out front right now. I still gotta hunt down a motor for it. It is a rolling shell. There's no motors, no interior. Well, there is interior parts, but it's not a full, complete interior. It's missing the carpet, it needs new seats, and the floor pans need to be redone. So this is going to be a big project for me. And I hope that you guys will come along for the ride as well. I do have the car up front. Like I said, it has no motor. You have no transmission, no drive shaft. It does have a set of the Weld Racing rims on it, along with 245s on the back and 195s in the front. It's going to be a complete redo of the car. We're going to take it step by step. Right now, like I said, I'm tracking down a motor as we speak for it. I'm going to go with the same motor that was in it originally. I might get a crate motor. I might get one from a junkyard. It all depends on what's in the best of interest. The junkyard, I did find a 5.0 from an 88. If my car is an 87, it will fit right in, no problem. But I did also find a crate motor that has most of the stuff that I want. So we're kind of up in the air on what's going to be more of a logical term, and in retrospect on what's going to be better for the car. For now, the motor I'm looking at, it is kind of pricey. So it might be about another week or two before I get the motor in. That's if I go with that one. Now, if I go with the junkyard motor, it comes with everything that I need for the motor. You're already right there, but I'm gonna have to put work into it, tearing it down. You redo the whole entire thing. So I'm not sure how the junkyard motor is internally, but externally it looks like shit. It's been sitting out in the rain. The elements. Now we're in New York. It gets snow, so it's been sitting out in all sorts of weather. Yeah, I am in my shed right now. This is gonna be the work spot for until this car is done, and I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride with it. That means we're gonna go through the motor. We're gonna go through the car. Full redo. Full restoration of this thing. It's a 1987 Mustang GT. And it's equipped for a 5.0. Originally, it was a 5.0 V8, and that's what's going back in it. Now, this is gonna be my my daily driver. I'm gonna take it to some races as soon as I get it done. Or I want to make this a 10 let's say 10-second car. Be realistic with shit. I do have a set of freaking, what the fuck are they? Supports. For the subframe to connect to the body. To prevent twisting. I got myself a new set of rear brake calipers for the car that came with the car. Now they're out of a Cobra. I'm not sure what year, but they are fucking nice. Brand new. Well, almost brand new. Redone. But I got both the driver and passenger side for this. So we're gonna be doing a 5.0 conversion on the car. And this car is going to be fucking awesome when I'm done with it. Right now, it is gray. It is going to be black by the time I'm done with it. I like black cars. I always had a thing for black cars. My bikes, one of my bikes is black. The other bike's blue. I don't really care for it. But it is what it is. It's a Harley. So the whole entire interior of the car is completely gutted. The seats are held in by 2 bolts apiece. Everything else is out of the car. There's no carpet. The driver's side floor pan needs to be replaced. It does have a hole, and it is cracked. Now, with the Fox bodies, it is notorious for the floor pans to crack and break. So, right now, I'm up in the air as if I'm gonna do both of them. You do the whole floor pan as one piece, or your LMR, they sell the whole floor pan as in a one-piece ordeal. So this way you don't have to guesstimate and cut. I might go that route. I might just switch out the driver's side. I don't really plan on hauling too many passengers with me. We're going to be doing the HVAC system in the car because currently there is nothing in there. The only thing that is in the car that is the temperature thing, the HVAC switches, and the dash and wire. There is no vents. There's no nothing for that shit. There's no motor. It does have the original wiring harness. We're gonna be going through that, and we're gonna be going through everything else on the car. The car is not perfect. It's not the car is flawless, but it is a project car, and I'm gonna take you guys on the ride with me. So thank you for tuning into my channel. Show some love, some support, and come along for the journey with this one because it's gonna be epic. And by the end of this, we're gonna have a 10-second car or better. So. Peace out. I will do a reveal video. We'll walk around of the car after this.